This video I'll show you exactly how you can start to copy my trades like this in your pocket option account automatically by using the social trading feature of pocket option. And if you are not already in my PIP copy trading telegram channel, then I would suggest you to see a link in the description of this YouTube video. You can join my free telegram channel there, and then you can follow the instructions to get inside my VIP copy trading channel. So to do the copy trading setup properly, watch this video very carefully. Once you are inside my VIP copy trading telegram channel, you will get a UID, okay, and use that UID to copy my trades. Now if you notice here, I only make $200 per trade in each trade, okay. So once you get the UID, just log into your pocket option account and click on this social trading, and you will see various traders that you can copy. Don't go to any place, just click on here and click on search. Now you already have my UID, so paste that UID at here and a name will appear in this way. Now this is not my UID, but I am showing you it as an example. So just click on it and click on copy. Now ignore all of these three boxes. You don't need to do anything in these three boxes, okay. I repeat, you don't need to do anything in these three boxes. Just leave it as it is. Only increase or decrease this percentage. Now previously I have told you I only make $200 per trade. So if you do 100% at here, then you will be copying my $200 per trade in your account, okay. But if you do it 1%, then you will be copying my $2 per trade. If you make it 10%, that means you are going to copy my $20 per trade, okay. It is as simple as this. Now stop balance is an important thing, but I suggest you to not touch it. But instead what you can do is, let's say you have $1,000 balance in your account and you only want to risk like $100 in my copy trading. So now what you can do is you can withdraw that $900 and only keep the balance of $100. So in that way you will only be risking $100 in my copy trading service, and you will not use this stop balance, okay. Minimum copy trade amount is 1, it should be 1, okay, and maximum copy trade amount is unlimited. And I have already told you I only make $200 per trade, so you don't need to worry about this. So it's leave it as it is. Now why I am not telling you to touch anything at here, because those people who are already copying me, whenever they make some changes in stop balance, minimum copy trade amount or maximum copy trade amount, then all of my trade doesn't get copied to their account. That's why I'm suggesting you to do so. Once you have done everything, just click on confirm and you will start to copy my trades automatically into your account. Now I'll show you exactly how you can stop to copy someone. So firstly, just log into your pocket option account. Now you already have started to copy me. So if you want to stop copying me or stop copying any other people, then just come to this social trading, click on here and see list of copied traders. So here you can see there are 2 traders that I am copying right now. This is just an example, okay. I'm actually not copying them, okay. Now what you need to do is just go to this list of copied trader and click on it, okay, and click on stop copying, and you will stop to copy them. So now here you can see again, you can click on here in another and click on stop copying. In this way you can stop to copy any people that you are copying in your pocket option. Okay friends, this much for this video. Don't forget to like this video and do subscribe to my channel. I'll see you inside telegram channel. Bye bye.